Of the 21 Cuban migrants who led the U.S. Coast Guard in a standoff at the Shoal Lighthouse is being decided by a federal judge. All this as they await the decision on board a Coast Guard cutter. Local 10 News reporter Hatzel Vela was at today's hearing. He joins us live now with more. Hatzel.
Well, Victor, I can tell you that federal judge has decided to hold a hearing next week on Thursday with hopes of learning more about the lighthouse that the Cubans used to land on. In the meantime, the Coast Guard has decided not to send back the Cubans, at least until Tuesday. In court, Judge Darren Gale says he wants more evidence, specifically on the Shoal Lighthouse, its structure, and its history. That's where a week ago, 21 Cuban migrants landed after more than a 5-hour standoff with the Coast Guard.
The judge was very fair in his decision today. He wants to be sure he has an opportunity to hear all the facts so that he can make the right decision and the just decision.
Attorneys representing the migrants argue the Cubans disembarked on American soil and can stay under wet foot, dry foot.
These individuals were not in the water. They were on a permanent structure that is part of the United States.
Dexter Lee, the attorney representing the Coast Guard, said he did not want to comment, but inside the court told the judge by the time the hearing takes place, it'll be 13 days since the migrants have been on that cutter. The cutter, he said, is for search and rescue, for interdiction and other purposes, not designed to keep migrants in what is considered comfortable conditions for long periods of time. Kendall Coffey, another attorney representing the migrants, said he was sure the migrants would wait a few days rather than being returned to Castro's regime. But waiting is not easy for people like Felipe Gamboa, a father we talked to a couple days ago whose 2 sons are on board. And again, if the Coast Guard decides to send back those migrants by Tuesday, they will have to notify the judge along with the migrants' attorneys. So in the meantime, we're just going to follow this story, figure out what happens. But again, the judge deciding to have that hearing next Thursday. For now, reporting live in downtown Miami, Hatzel Vela, Local 10 News.